All right, here we go. We are about to tackle this Honda EU 7000 IS. Get some. All right, come on.
Here we go.
Honda EU 7000 IS generator, inverted. I've always wanted a generator, so I decided if I'm gonna buy one, I want one that can run everything that I need to run. Got an instruction manual. Right, yeah. Woo! Packed her up pretty nice, Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Cool beans. All right, we're gonna pull this box out. I believe in here it's got the wheels and a few other components that come with it. It's pretty much fully assembled. I'm just going to figure out how to get it out of this box. I'd like to keep the box intact, but I don't know if I can do it. This sucker weighs quite a bit, so which is good. That way people can't be just carrying it off real easily. Got me a lock and some pretty hardened wires at Lowe's last night. Some pretty good locks to lock it up while we're, if I've ever got it in the back of my truck or at the campsite. So we'll see how this goes. Well, box didn't stay intact very long. So here we go. Pull this off. That'll be a good fort for the kids. Pretty much all I was gonna keep it for was a little fort. They love the little forts. Okay. Cool. Man, I'm pumped. This thing is so weird. Well, guys, this is it. I've always wanted a good generator. I got one. I'm gonna probably have some of our friends who are electricians come over to the house and put in a breaker box so that if us being out in rural America, Texas, we have some power outages every now and then, and in the wintertime, if we get some nasty snowstorms, we need a little power sometimes. So this will be awesome. It'll be enough to run what we need to run to stay comfortable. Well, here we are. Got it unboxed. Sucker is sweet. We gotta put the wheels on. Get her fired up, get her broke in, and we may use her tonight. We're going about 7 hours. Go camping tonight. And this afternoon, we may drive halfway, pull over, fire this bad boy up, fire the air conditioners up, hang out, sleep in our new camper, and then wake up next morning and head to camp. Well, before I added oil or gas, I'm putting the legs on, came in the kit. These two stands right here, they've just got two 12 mil metric head bolts. They just screw right in. We're getting them screwed on. Comes with two very nice heavy duty rubber tires. I mean, everything in this kit is heavy duty, well built. Very impressed, guys. That's one of the reasons I went with the Honda. So, all right, there she is. She's pretty much all put together. Extremely easy. It's taken me, I don't know, unboxing it, wheels on, everything, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So anyway, I think one of the things I may do is I may buy some little pieces of rubber, maybe about a ½ inch thick, and attach them to the feet there. That way, if I'm ever running it here in the back of my pickup, cuts down the vibration, maybe noise a little bit. We'll see. So now we've got to add the oil, add the gas, and then fire up. So battery also is not connected, so we've got to hook up the battery. So we're gonna do that. All right, here is side panels. One thing I've noticed is all around every little metal piece that could touch, there's some type of rubber gasket, which is awesome. Air filter. Engine is mounted on just a rubber pillow there on the frame. Looks like a spark plug. I think I'm going to get an extra spark plug, extra air filter. Always keep some oil with me. You never know what can happen. So I do pride myself on being prepared for whatever. One thing I do like also is being fuel injected. When we go to the mountains, there's a pretty significant difference in altitude. And I know in the past on four-wheelers and motorcycles riding up there, we've had some jetting issues. So anyway, had a little tag on there. It says no oil in the engine, fill before you turn it on starting. So I did add that to the keys. I pulled the keys out. Battery's in there. Haven't checked if it's charged or not. Just got to hook it up. Let me see here. Let's see what's over here. There is a manual pull start, just in case the battery goes dead, which is awesome. Another part of being prepared. They thought about it. So, got your pull start there. Got the pillars there. Those little rubber spacers there. Anyway, that's it. I'm just checking it out for the first time. Just push it, turn it, locks. Well, see you guys a little later. I'm gonna get some oil. I'm gonna get some non-ethanol gasoline, local gas station. And I'm gonna always try to probably find some of the best oil I can get. This thing could be running in pretty hot climate at some point here in Texas, possibly. Good oil. I think good oil is a key. Good fuel additive continuously. I got some Seafoam to periodically add to it to keep the injectors, everything clean. So we will get all that stuff and then we will fire it back up later. All right, guys, here we are. First off, we got some Royal Purple SA10W30, the current API number, SN, which is the latest. So, got the battery hooked up. It's reading good voltage. Flipped it on. We added the oil onto the side, a little over a quart. Ethanol-free gas. All right, let's fire her up. Sucker is quiet. I mean, well, guys, I will have to say, Honda did a dang fine job Amazon showed up today. It's incredible. I added the little rubber strips on the bottom. I don't know if they'll hold up, but it's the best I could do. You can smell that engine getting warm. Let's see here. Well, what a day. Ended up ditching that adapter, long story, and found me in Anderson, in Amarillo. I ran and grabbed it. I think this is going to be awesome. We got the generator fired up, got the RV hooked up, had to go get me an adapter. Had to get 120, that NEMA L530P converted to a 120 volt 30 amp. Anyway,